Hi folks, I'm Sacred Pearl 09, Sacred Pearl 09, Sacred Pearl 09. Now, this is my first YouTube video. Not going to personalize up here for me, of other people and things, this time, my first video, I'm going to see on the matter, things about my beats, and that's just doesn't matter what people say, people do because people gonna be people. Don't be the magic God is here and out. That's something that affects you just got to think about. Let's see if there's another video of me. Double first video opportunity. I'm busy doing a video about this right now, but who knows? Yeah, okay. Some people run at the first sign of stormy weather. Some people hold on and work it out together. I believe in you, you believe in me. Rainbow ahead may be hard to see. Gotta hang on to this dream. Don't let go. No, no matter how hard it gets. We haven't finished yet. There's so much time lies ahead. We got so much to do. No matter how hard we try, we just can't say goodbye. Don't leave me with regret, 'cause we haven't finished yet. No, 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 no. On this day, I wanted just to call it quits. So many times I wonder where in this world that I would be. We're just beginning, can't stop it now. We're gonna make it work out somehow. We'll show the world what it takes. Can't let go, no matter how hard it gets. We haven't finished yet. There's so much of life ahead. We got so much to do. No matter how hard we try, we just can't say goodbye. Don't leave me with regrets, no, 'cause we haven't finished yet. We don't ever believe nobody else will. We've got to reach down and grab something inside. No matter how hard it gets, we haven't finished yet. No, 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 no. We haven't finished yet. No matter, no matter. No, 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 no. Yep. No matter how, no matter who, you can make it. You can make it. Do it all.